Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to the second annual Classic and Exotic Car Show at Nease High School in Ponte Vedra. This is the first time I've been to this show. It was a pretty good show. There were a lot of awesome cars there, a lot of different cars I hadn't seen before. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. The Dashboard didn't participate in this show, but there is a little bit of dash cam footage for you to see, so I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
This would be it. Spectator parking.
Well, there's the car show right over there.
Yeah. So where you want to park?
Probably right over here. As close as I can get that way. Probably right there by that speed bump. What do you think?
Yeah.
Point it that way?
Yeah. Well, if you're in it.
Yep. Well, that wasn't going to be a super long time.
Take your time.
Damn scooter keys fell out of my pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell, I could come down here and sit in that damn self-storage parking lot and take pictures of trains all day, probably.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a trek, though.
Mm-hmm. Can't see for this truck.
Yeah.
People back there walking.
Yeah.
Okay. Baseball players.
Yep. Well, it's that time of year.
Yep. That red Mustang parked down there.
There's a whole bunch of them parked down here.
Mm-hmm. He didn't even look.
they kept having people wanting to come out that drive down there, and they didn't want them coming out that drive.
Yeah. Jaguar.
Yeah, they're gonna be dragging in all day.
Mm-hmm.
Where's it coming from?
I don't know. Go on and get out of the way. I think they're coming up behind us.
Yep.
People don't stop.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.